Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about trigonometric or circular functions. Let x dash ox and y o y dash be the coordinate axes. Taking O as the center and a unit radius, draw a circle cutting the coordinate axes at A, B, A dash and B dash as shown in the figure. Suppose that a moving point starts from A and moves along the circumference of the circle in an anti-clockwise direction. Let it cover an arc length theta and takes the final position pxy. Join OP, then angle AOP is equal to theta. Since angle AOP is equal to arc AP by radius OP, this is equal to theta by 1 and this is equal to theta radian. Using the formula theta is equal to L by R. Now the 6 circular functions may be defined as under: cos theta is equal to x, sin theta is equal to y, sec theta is equal to 1 by x, where x not equal to 0, cosec theta is equal to 1 by y, where y not equal to 0, tan theta is equal to y by x, where x not equal to 0, and cot theta is equal to x by y, where y not equal to 0. Dear students, clearly we have sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now we will discuss trigonometric identities. Dear students, a trigonometric equation is called a trigonometric identity if it is true for all angles for which the trigonometric functions involved are defined. Theorem 1: for any acute angle theta, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Proof: let x dash ox and y o y dash be the coordinate axes. Taking O as the center and a unit radius, draw a circle meeting OX at A. Let P xy be a point on the circle with angle AOP equal to theta. Join OP. Draw PM perpendicular on OA. Then cos theta is equal to x and sin theta is equal to y. From right triangle OMP, we have OM square plus PM square is equal to OP square by Pythagoras theorem. This is implies that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Since OM is equal to x, PM is equal to y and OP is equal to 1. Implies that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. as x equal to cos theta and y equal to sin theta. This proves first. For second, dividing both sides of first by cos square theta, we get cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. This is equal to 1 by cos square theta, and this is implies that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Since sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta and 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Again, dividing both sides of first by sin square theta, we get cos square theta by sin square theta plus sin square theta by sin square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta. This is implies that cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. Since cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta and 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Dear students, we have cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 and sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Therefore, cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now, we will discuss theorem 2. If theta is a positive acute angle, then prove that sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, sec minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Proof. Let theta, where theta belongs to 0 and pi by 2, be any real number. Construct the angles whose measures are theta radians and minus theta radians with vertices at the origin of a rectangular coordinate system and initial sides along the positive x-axis. Let P xy and P dash x dash y dash be the points of intersection of the terminal sides of the angles theta radians and minus theta radians respectively with the unit circle. Triangles OP dash M dash and OPM are congruent. So OM dash is equal to OM and M dash P dash is equal to MP. So X dash is equal to X and Y dash is equal to minus Y. Now sin minus theta is equal to Y dash equal to minus Y equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta is equal to X dash is equal to X equal to cos theta. Tan minus theta is equal to Y dash by X dash equal to minus Y by X equal to minus tan theta. Cot minus theta is equal to X dash by Y dash equal to X by minus Y equal to minus cot theta. sec minus theta equal to 1 by x dash equal to 1 by x equal to sec theta, cosec minus theta equal to 1 by y dash equal to 1 by minus y equal to minus cosec theta. Now we will discuss science of trigonometric functions in various quadrants. The following table gives the science of trigonometric functions in different quadrants. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. In second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta are positive. All others are negative. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. All others are negative. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive. All others are negative. Dear students, the figure given on the right side shows which trigonometric functions with their reciprocals are positive in various quadrants. All sin, tan, cos can be easily recalled by remembering that the first letters A, S, T and C are also the first letter of the phrase after school to college, or a silver teacup, or all students take coffee. Values of cos theta and sin theta for theta equal to 0, or theta equal to pi by 2, or theta equal to pi, or theta equal to 3 pi by 2, or theta equal to 2 pi. Dear students, with O as center and radius r equal to 1 unit, draw a circle cutting the coordinate axis at A, B, A dash and B dash as shown in the figure. Let P xy be any point on this circle. If angle AOP equal to theta, then sin theta is equal to y and cos theta is equal to x. Already we know. At A, theta is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So cos 0 is equal to x by r equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1, and sin 0 is equal to y by r equal to 0 by 1 equal to 0. Implies that cos 0 is equal to 1 and sin 0 is equal to 0. At B, when theta is equal to pi by 2, then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So cos pi by 2 is equal to x by r equal to 0 by 1 equal to 0, and sin pi by 2 is equal to y by r equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. Therefore cos pi by 2 is equal to 0 and sin pi by 2 equal to 1. At A dash, when theta is equal to pi, then x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0. So cos pi is equal to x by r equal to minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1, and sin pi is equal to y by r equal to 0 by 1 equal to 0. Therefore cos pi is equal to -1 and sin pi equal to 0. At b dash, when theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, then x is equal to 0, y is equal to -1. So cos 3 pi by 2 equal to x by r equal to 0 by 1 equal to 0, and sin 3 pi by 2 equal to y by r equal to -1 by 1 equal to -1. Therefore cos 3 pi by 2 equal to 0 and sin 3 pi by 2 equal to -1. At a, again, after one complete revolution, when theta is equal to 2 pi, then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So cos 2 pi is equal to x by r equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. And sin 2 pi is equal to y by r equal to 0 by 1 equal to 0. Therefore cos 2 pi is equal to 1 and sin 2 pi is equal to 0. Dear students, there is a correction of lecture 3, that is -4 radian is equal to -229 degree 5 minutes 27 seconds approximately. Thank you.